Hi, Amber. You look very tired today. Was your day busy?
Yes, John, it was. I worked all day, and now I feel very tired.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you have a busy office today?
Yes, I had many meetings. I answered many phone calls. I also finished an important report.
That sounds like a long day.
It really was. Now I just want to relax.
Did you cook anything for dinner?
No, I didn't even go into the kitchen.
I understand. I'm feeling tired too.
Really? Did you have a busy day as well?
Yes, I came home only a few minutes ago.
Then neither of us wants to cook.
That's true.
What should we do for dinner?
We have a few choices.
Like what?
We can cook something simple.
I don't think I have enough energy, John.
We can make sandwiches, Amber.
That is easy, but I don't feel like eating sandwiches today.
We could also eat instant noodles.
We had noodles yesterday.
You're right.
I want something fresh and delicious.
Then I have another idea.
What is it, John?
Let's order food online.
That sounds perfect.
Great. What do you feel like eating?
I'm not sure yet.
Think carefully.
Maybe pizza?
We had pizza last weekend.
That's true.
How about Chinese food?
I like Chinese food.
Or maybe burgers?
Not today.
What about fried rice?
That sounds good.
We can also order noodles.
Yes, I like vegetable noodles.
Should we order spring rolls too, Amber?
Yes, I love spring rolls.
Great. Let's look for a good restaurant.
I have a food delivery app on my
Perfect. Open it.
It is open now.
Can you see nearby restaurants?
Yes, there are many restaurants.
Which one has the best rating?
This restaurant has 5 stars.
The reviews also look very good.
The food pictures look delicious.
I think we should order from this restaurant.
I agree.
Shall we call them?
Yes, it will be easier to ask a few questions.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm calling the restaurant now.
Good evening. Welcome to Happy Kitchen. How may I help you?
Good evening. I would like to order dinner for home delivery.
Certainly, ma'am. What would you like to order?
First, can I ask a few questions?
Of course. Please go ahead.
Which dishes are your customers ordering the most today?
Our vegetable fried rice, vegetable noodles, and chili paneer are very popular today.
That sounds nice.
We also have fresh spring rolls and hot soup.
Everything sounds delicious.
Thank you.
I would like 1 vegetable fried rice,
Certainly.
1 plate of vegetable noodles,
Yes, ma'am.
1 chili paneer,
Added?
and 1 plate of spring rolls.
Perfect.
Is the food very spicy?
We can make it mild, medium, or spicy.
Medium spicy, please.
No problem.
Can you also send some tomato sauce?
Yes, we will include it free of charge.
Thank you.
May I have your delivery address?
Yes, it is 24 Green Park Road, apartment 302.
Thank you. May I also have your phone number?
Yes, it is 98765 43210.
Thank you. Your order is confirmed. It will arrive in about 35 minutes.
That's wonderful.
Would you like to pay online or when the food arrives?
I will pay online.
Perfect. Your order has been placed successfully.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The app says our food is being prepared now.
That's good. I hope it arrives on time.
The restaurant has already packed the food.
Now the delivery boy is on the way.
Look, I just received a phone call.
Who is it?
I think it is the delivery boy. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. I have your food order, but I can't find your apartment building.
No problem. Where are you now?
I am standing near the small supermarket on Green Park Road.
That's very close. Please drive straight for about 1 minute.
Okay.
You will see a blue apartment building on your left.
Yes,
Our apartment is Building B.
I can see it now.
Great. I will come downstairs.
Thank you. I will be there in 1 minute.
See you soon.
Is he nearby?
Yes, he found the building.
That's great.
I'll get the food.
I'll come with you. Good evening. Here is your order.
Thank you.
Let me check the order first.
Of course.
1 vegetable fried rice,
Yes,
1 vegetable noodles,
correct.
1 chili paneer,
Yes,
1 spring rolls.
everything's here.
Is everything correct?
Yes, thank you very much.
Have you already paid online?
Yes, the payment is complete.
Perfect. Thank you for ordering from us.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.
The food smells wonderful.
Yes, John. I can't wait to eat.
Let's wash our hands first.
Good idea.
I'll open the fried rice.
I'll open the noodles.
The food is still hot.
That's a good sign.
Here is your plate.
Thank you.
Would you like some chili paneer, Amber?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, John.
I'll take some spring rolls.
They look crispy.
Let's start eating.
The fried rice tastes amazing.
The noodles are soft and delicious.
The chili paneer is full of flavor.
The spring rolls are very crispy.
I'm happy we ordered from this restaurant.
Me too.
The food arrived hot, fresh, and on time.
The delivery was also very fast.
I think this restaurant deserves a 5-star rating.
I completely agree.
I'll write a nice review on the app.
That's a good idea.
I'll write, the food was fresh, delicious, and delivered on time. The service was excellent.
They will be happy to read that.
Next time, we should try their pizza.
Or maybe their pasta.
That sounds delicious too.
I'm glad we didn't cook today.
Me too. This dinner was relaxing and enjoyable.
Let's order from this restaurant again next weekend.